Hello guys, welcome to Phantom Crypto Trading. Today, we will discuss several important topics in MEXC. By the way, these things are almost the same on Binance as well, and we will discuss them later. Number 1. How to transfer USDT between spot and future wallets. To do this, open your MEXC app. Now, click on Wallet. Here, there are 3 main wallets. Don't confuse them. Just consider you have 3 cash wallets in your pockets. These wallets are used to do different kinds of trading. This is the spot wallet, which is used for spot trading. This one is the future wallet, used for future trading. And this is the feint wallet, where you can separately keep your profit or capital. You can also see your wallet balance here. Now, let's see how you can transfer your USDT from one wallet to another. This is very simple. To do this, click on Transfer. Here you can see from spot to future wallet, and you can simply swap as well. So, if I want to do future trading, I will transfer USDT from my spot wallet to the future wallet. Here, enter the amount and click on Transfer. Now, come back, and here you can see that we have successfully transferred our USDT from the spot to the future wallet, and there is no transfer fee. Many beginners misunderstand and think it could cost a fee to transfer your money from one wallet to another. Oh, come on, these are your wallets, and you can transfer your USDT from one wallet to another without paying any fee. Now let's understand how to do spot trading and how to use limit and market features. For spot trading, click on Markets, and here click on Spot. So these are spot coins here. Let's pick Ethereum as an example. Now click on Buy. Here you see the limit. You can understand limit with the alarm example. Like when you set an alarm, it beeps at the time you set. Similarly, a limit is the price you set, and it will buy the coin at that price. For example, if I set the Ethereum limit to 3,700, and by choosing my investment, it will buy the Ethereum coin at that price automatically. Click on Buy. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see your limit in the Open Order section. I hope you understood. You can apply the same thing to sell as well. You can set the sell price, so whenever the coin price touches your sell price, it will be automatically sold. Now, let's understand market. Click on it and select market. If we want to buy any coin immediately at the market price, then we choose market here. Now, choose your USDT investment amount here and click on Buy, so it will buy the coin immediately. You will be able to see your bought coin here in the position section. Here you will see your profit or loss. Now, you can come to the Sell tab, and here you can select the limit. I want to sell this at 4,000 price, so I will set the sell limit here. Or, if you want to sell it at the current market price, you can change it to market. Now let's see how to do future trading. To do this, click on Futures. Here you will see your future wallet USDT amount. These are the same things as in spot trading. What is future trading exactly? Well, we will not discuss its definition. Just understand that future trading provides you leverage on your balance. Simply, leverage is temporary debt from the market. You can make a profit by opening long position or short position. Long position means if the price of the coin will rise, and short position means that the price will go down. So, how to open a position using our signals? Consider this signal that we gave you. Here we said open Ethereum long position. We told you the entry price, which is 37.50 to 38.35, so you can open a long position between these prices. And please never buy or open a position if you miss the entry point or if the entry point does not come. Here we mentioned the recommended leverage and wallet percentage that you should use. You can adjust leverage by simply clicking here. Move the slider to adjust the leverage. Here select your wallet size, as we recommended 2%, so you should choose 2% here as well, but I will choose 10% as an example. But you should follow it according to the signal. Click on Open Long. Here it will show your liquidation price. Click on Confirm. Here, you can see your long position has been opened. Here you will see your profit and loss. These are 2 gold features for new users. You can adjust your take profit price limit here. You can also add your stop loss here. This is flash close. It is useful when you want to close your position instantly. If you are new to MEXC, you will earn a $10 reward by using these features for the first time. Just click on it. Here you can set the TP price. TP means take profit. Here you can see your profit percentage and amount in USDT. After that, click on Confirm. Now click on Flash Close. Here you will see your profit and loss, whatever you made. Click on Confirm. You will get a strong grip on it when you practice it 3 to 4 times. Now let's see how you can get a $15 reward on MEXC. To do this, click on $1,000. Scroll down. Here you can see 2 rewards of 5 USDT. Expand the details. You can read this. Experience the flash close feature for the first time. And on the second reward, it is mentioned. Experience and set your first take profit and stop loss order. I already have claimed this reward, but in your case, there will be a claim button. You will get the rest of the $5 by joining through our referral link. Also, note that you can only use this reward in future trading, and you must have your own 1 USDT in the future wallet. Otherwise, this reward will expire. Now, let's see how you can do copy trade by following FantomSignals. To do this, click on More. Here you can see the copy trade icon. Now we will add its shortcut to the home page. Here, click on the edit icon. Now remove this one. Add the copy trade shortcut here. Click on Confirm. Now come back to home. Here you will find your copy trade option. Click on it. Scroll down a little bit. In the search bar, type FantomSignals. Click on Follow. Scroll down. Adjust the settings as shown in the video. Click on Advanced. Enter your USDT amount. Now make sure it is fixed amount, and here enter the USDT amount. The recommended amount is 5 to 20%. But I am choosing 5 USDT, which is 50% almost. Scroll down a little bit. Adjust the margin settings. Select this option. Click on Confirm. Click on it. Here, set Trader Liquidation Settings. Click on Follow to close. Click on Confirm. Set the slippage to Customized. Choose 0.10%. Click on Next Step. Make sure you have correctly followed these settings. Click on Submit. So, here you have it all done. Now you will be able to earn daily profit by doing nothing. Here you will see your current positions. Here you will see your profit. As you can see, we made $8.8 from our $10 initial investment just in our testing. Now, come back to the MEXC homepage. Click on Copy Trade. Here you can return back to your trader by clicking here. The things we have covered today are the same on Binance as well. We will share some important documents and a solved Binance Future Trading Quiz PDF file with you. Till then, stay tuned and take care.